Hope you are aware that our college mantras are decency, dignity, and discipline, which means that the three makes you success every day to lead your life successfully and to prove you as a successful woman of the future, strong woman of the future, where you have to be a role models to the future generations. Being a woman, it's not only the responsibility to empower yourself, and apart from that, you need to see that you must give the good path for the future generations too, with your actions. And that's why I have requested you several times to improve your leadership qualities, and a part of it, and that this is a beautiful workshop that we initiated where fintech and in business. And definitely it will be a lot of help to the MBA students particularly. Most of the time the people may think that it's so long back, writing the examination, textbooks, attending for the classrooms, it's enough to get the MBA degree. N number of people outside the MBA degree without the jobs. Just because they don't have the leadership qualities and they are not adaptable to the new technologies. And at present, it's not the thing that I am asking you to learn about the new technology. The tools, AI-driven financial analysis, where at present, the entire money transaction, how it is happening, what are all the tools used in that. Being a leader in a different companies, you're supposed to know about it. And you should not tell that I don't know. So that's why the reason that we initiated for this program for the 4 days, and particularly it may start with the AI, I think introduction to business case discussion and data basics, data visualization, because data analysis is very, very important. I think at present days, the MBA business analytics course also offered by a number of business schools, and where the students are getting the very good opportunities outside. At least if you have the idea about this, and in due course of time, you may get the opportunity in a particular financial related banking sector or venture company that is feasible to the MBA students. With that intention that we started, and to maybe introduction to AI tools, how it will be helpful for the financial analysis, and some mini projects along with that. So, and how to make use of the ChatGPT, generative AI. So, for the various applications, nowadays every one of us are depending on the ChatGPT, generative AI, but at the same time, not only ChatGPT, Gemini and another tools are available. Not only that, and you need to know how to give the proper prompts to extract the information which we need. Meetings after joining in the company, even you need to say that if somebody is speaking, that you need to give good eye contact, good facial expressions, that which give a good impact, and they can impress about you, and they feel that you are giving access to listen. What the point? That's why the reason, please look into that and utilize effectively. Don't ask for this kind of the special workshops will help you to excel yourself, and where most of the places where the people are not focusing on that, but still in our college we have initiated even some of the business schools which are claiming that also not conducting these kind of the workshops for the benefit of the students community, where they don't know, they don't have the engineering in their business schools. Whereas fortunate that in this college you have the engineering along with that MBA, like how you help to the engineering people for the mock parliament, how it is benefit to them to know about that, how the budget will plan by the ministers and how it will be approved and everything. With the help of you, you have organized the same program. Similarly, you help them for the business plan, competitions and all. Similarly, this AI should help you, and the tools should help you to be strong, and compared to your colleagues, you should be worthwhile to prove yourself that you are aware of the N number of the tools. And nowadays, it's not the thing that we should be expertise in one stream in all of it. We should have the broader knowledge on all the fields. Lifelong learning. Being a human being, we need to learn lifelong, and particularly being a leader of the future, you need to fix in your mind that you have to learn lifelong and update yourself, upskill yourself to meet the requirements of the industry. Then always, as I mentioned, whether engineering people are having the future or not, that I don't know. Because of the AI. If they integrate AI, then only they have the survival. Whereas for you, and once you improve the leadership qualities, and that too AI cannot replace the human beings in the human relations. So that's why you that always you have the jobs. That's why please pay attention, sincerely pay attention. Before you leave from the campus, you need to place in the very company with the higher packages. And moreover, you are birthright to start your own company if you learn something like this. Make use of the services of the college and these platforms and by collaborating with the engineering people. And probably as I have mentioned earlier, next semester when you are with new academic year, that you are going to collaborate with the engineering people. So one MBA student and the 3 engineering people together will develop one innovative product from the third year onwards. Their third year and here first and second years of the MBA. So that you can come to know that what's the importance of the technology and by collaborating with them and you can try to know about it and so that you can get a number of ideas by making use of the technology, how you can start your own company. What the point? Once you have the leadership qualities, what else you need to become a entrepreneurs of the future? That's all they. At least among you, few people will become entrepreneurs and being a principal and all our teammates, we feel very happy about it. I wish you all the best and it's restricted to 4 days. It's not, there is no restriction. So till you will understand thoroughly about AI in a financial technology. The entire AI tools that you need to learn related to the finance. That is my interest about my MBA belongs to. Okay, now hope you will enjoy these sessions seriously.